Following this double bottom reversal, there were bullish indications starting with ALMA crossing over MA. Then Arun and Bollinger Bands %B continue to stay at exceedingly high levels while ATR mostly remains flat, with the exception of yesterday's jump. The current uptrend has gone quite far up without any bearish retracements, so if the bullish momentum is maintained, price can advance over this area by even the start of next week to develop a position towards the more significant long-term barrier here, moving towards the start of March. Fibonacci spirals also agree with these approximate areas as places where the uptrend can continue to advance further, so long as indications of bullish momentum are maintained at around the same values. For those with a more cautious or even pessimistic outlook, should note the larger uptrend could still be intact even if there is a moderate retracement, as long as price can recover from falling down to this area, which becomes the most relevant lower boundary if the advance higher gets delayed towards the end of this month. So the range down at the double bottom doesn't need to be focused on right now.